Hi, everybody. My name's Patrick. I am a disabled investor here in Canada, and the markets are closed in the States today for President Carter's funeral. May he rest in peace. And I just thought I'd take a minute to kind of explain what this channel's all about. Um, this channel is not to brag and boast about how well I'm doing as an investor. Um, I make a lot of mistakes, and I'm hoping to create a conversation around how other disabled people here in Canada and abroad can make a dollar stretch and take whatever little bit we have left over and turn it into something for our futures. Um, I have been fortunate over the last 10 years to be able to put some money aside, and it's grown recently over $100,000 Canadian, so that's like 60,000 US, which is not a huge amount of money, but when you're living on $1,200 a month, it takes a while to get there. And anyways, the point of this channel is not to brag and boast, but it's to help. And I recognize there are people who are not disabled who have, aspirations of saving. So follow me if you like. Let's start a conversation around tips and tricks and ways to invest and things to do that help us become financially independent. It's my goal to one day not need government assistance to survive. Um, you may ask, well, you got 100 grand, why do you need government help? I can't touch that money. It's actually, it's protected. Can't touch it, can't use it. Wish I could. I would be off. But anyways, can't use it. So a lot of what's in there is actually government grants that have helped me save that amount of money. Which is another thing that I'm going to discuss in this channel, is the importance of getting a registered disability savings plan if you can here in Canada, because there's nothing else like it. Anyways, markets are closed. I'm rambling. I hope that I can be of service and that you find my content useful. And if so, please give me a like and a thumbs up, subscribe. It'll help me push this out to more people and hopefully be useful. And I appreciate you spending time with me. Thank you.